Good morning, traders. It is currently 10:28 in the morning on Monday, May 18th. I'm still getting used to my new recording settings and configuration, so I wasn't able to record the open, but stay tuned because I'm finishing up the day over and around $13, so stay tuned. I wasn't able to capture the open, but I did take a trade pretty much out of the gates actually a couple seconds ago on MRNA. This thing is way too extended, and I think it has to come down. I only took 3 shares because it is up around 23%, but I do think it has to come down. I'm going to pause it here, and then once there's an update on MRNA or another stock, I will resume it there. I'm watching Goldman Sachs under 176.90. Looks like the market wants to come down here, and I think Goldman should come down too. There's news that Berkshire Hathaway dumped around 80% of their shares in Goldman, so I'm looking for Goldman to come down here as well. All right, here's a break. Looks like the market may be wanting to make a new high, so I'm going to hold off on Goldman for now. I'm going to switch to MRNA, up around $7 on that. If you look at the daily, I still think it has so much room to come down. Let's take a look here. On Friday, it closed at $67, and today it opened up at around 86. It's just way too extended, and it needs to sell off. People need to start taking profits, so I'm happy to kind of provide that liquidity by taking that short position for them. Okay, I'm going to take a look at Delta Airlines here. It might want to make a new high. It is pretty extended, so we'll see if it wants to break over 2130. Market is making new highs right now, so I think Delta should follow. I think Delta is too extended actually, so I'm not going to take a trade on it. If I miss it, that's fine, but I like how it's pulling down now. I think it needs to pull down a little bit more before it provides a good buying opportunity. All right, I'm going to take a look at MRNA here. I'm up around $4. I'm just going to watch the tape to see how it's reacting. It's a pretty fast moving stock, so I want to make sure that I'm managing my risk correctly. I think it wants to come down here, which is going to be good. Market is going up again, so we'll see what it wants to do. All right, I'm going to cover 2 shares there. It will execute. The stock is moving like crazy, so we'll see if I want to get filled. Anyway, I have an order to cover 2 of my 3 shares. I'll let the third one go, and I'll put a stop at break even, and we'll see if it wants to run for me and make me extra cash. Okay, some nice selling pressure on Goldman finally. Looking for the break of around 177.2. Market looks like it wants to come down. Alright, I'm going to hop in there. I think it wants to come down here. I'm in at 177.21. I'd like to see it break 177. Again, on the news that Berkshire dumped around 84% of their position in Goldman. Not a great sign for the bank. Stop is around 80 cents at 178.03. So I'm looking for around an 80-cent profit. Okay, this should be the break of 177. Being a little stubborn here, but this SPY is making a new low. Goldman should follow under 177 now. Some buyers stepping in at 05 and 06. Let them step in, get chipped away for a clean break of 177. What I'm looking for is to see these sellers over here come under 177, so I want to see them show 169.90 or something like that. A little bit of a pullback on SPY, but we should see it come back down again. And there's the seller showing 176. That's good for me. Looking for around a 176.40 to take profit. I'm not sure if SPY's actually pulling back, but we'll see. About 6 seconds until the next 5-minute candle. SPY looking like it wants to roll over, and there's 40 on the tape. And there it goes back to 50. I think after this trade, I'm going to call it for the day, and I will just post this video. But I'm happy with the $10 trade in MRNA. Yeah, you can't complain about $10 in 20 minutes. Okay, this should be finally the exit point for Goldman Sachs. Okay, now any sign of a pullback, I will cover. See if it wants to break 176. All right, I'm going to cover there. I'm all out there for 3 shares. Okay, so I'm all out there for 3 shares, finishing the day up on Goldman Sachs, $2.44. And then on MRNA, I'm finishing the day up $10.78. That's it for today. It's about 10:05 in the morning. I have the rest of the day to do whatever I want. But if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below what you trade today, and subscribe to the channel because it means a lot to me. I am on a journey to financial independence, and YouTube is my way of documenting my journey with you guys. If you like this type of comment, support me. And with that said, I will see you tomorrow at the opening bell.